Hi, in this quick tutorial we will see how to build objects and scenes in VR with your own hands using Supercraft. We start by creating a new scene. We can set at any time the colors of the environment. Click on the cube button to create new scenes and use the trigger to drag and drop shapes from the palette. You can move shapes around at your will and scale them using the diamond icon on the corner. To scale uniformly, press and hold the cross icon in the thumbpad when hovering the diamond icon. Use as many shapes as you want for creating an object. You can copy the selected shape by pressing and holding the clone icon in the thumbpad. To delete, press the trash can icon and release it on the shape you want to remove. When you are finished, click on the back button and you will be able to edit the thing as a whole using the same tools as before, like clone or delete. To modify an object, select it by touching it and use the edit icon on the bottom of the menu. You can always create new objects with the cube icon on the top. There's a teleport tool on the left controller to move around the world. Also, you can use the grip buttons. Use both controllers to scale up and down the world and one controller to move the world around. At any time, you can publish and update your world so you will get a fixed URL that anyone can visit and remix. We invite you to create and share with Supercraft. Many enhancements and features are coming soon.